We're coming up on the crater rim. Looks like a very interesting site here.
Please proceed with sampling and documentation.
Copy, 5 to 10 centimeters geology sample. We're creating a site now. Okay, we'll do that.
So we put this in your
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Commander.
Thank her present to the director of the Pangea program.
One is to become a scientist, to discover the inner workings of our world. Lanzarote is very similar to a lot of volcanic sites that I've seen in a way that it's a good place to study volcanoes. But what makes it even more special is that this place here has lavas that are very, very similar to the ones we find on the moon. So really, if you look around, you could imagine yourself to be right on the surface of the moon. And that makes it a unique training ground. You need to be able to do science autonomously. Say, if you have a radio failure, you need to really know what you look for. And of course, human eyes always see much more than robots can see or what the ground can see distantly. So it's a real asset to have two people up here who explore the landscape and to look for the odd sticking out, the odd rock that might be the one that answers you the question of how life got to Earth, or maybe how the atmosphere was formed on Earth. All questions that we don't know yet, and that's why we need to go to the moon.
And at the beginning, the astronaut just learned how to recognize different type of rocks, learns the basics of geology of the moon, of Mars, on Earth. And then instead here, they are really put in the field to experience the exploration of a terrain, which is something that they will have to do on the moon. So we are not just teaching to them, just this is a basalt, this is a lapilli. We want them really to explore and to find things and to understand with the support of the science. So they have to be ready to also change their plans and to be flexible and to see things that are unexpected, because when you are exploring, you never know exactly what you will find.
When they go to the moon, they will have to collect samples. In here, they learn how to select those samples, what are the best samples to collect, to document what has been the history, the geological history of a site. And they go on what we call geological traverses, obviously supported by scientists here. They communicate with scientists via radio, and through this communication, they simulate what will happen when they go to the moon. You have a lot of different types of volcanic rocks in Lanzarote. So, and they're exposed. You don't have trees. You pretty much see them. So you can see far away, like if you were on the moon. You can see all the different volcanic edifices.